Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Pocket Yoga. Let's talk about Pocket Yoga, available at pocket-yoga.com. This app offers a fantastic way to incorporate yoga into your daily routine, whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting your journey. The app provides a diverse library of pre-designed classes, categorized by duration and difficulty, ensuring there's something for everyone. You can choose from sessions ranging from a quick 10-minute stretch to a more intensive hour-long practice. Each class is visually guided by a virtual instructor demonstrating the poses, eliminating the need for constant referencing of written instructions. One of Pocket Yoga's standout features is its clear and concise visual instruction. The animated instructor smoothly transitions between poses, making it easy to follow along, even for beginners. Additionally, the app provides detailed descriptions and benefits of each pose, enhancing your understanding of the practice. This is particularly helpful for those new to yoga, as it provides context and helps you connect with the purpose of each movement. Furthermore, you can customize your sessions by choosing your preferred background music and ambient sounds, creating a truly personalized yoga experience. The app allows you to track your progress, motivating you to maintain a consistent practice. You can log your completed sessions and monitor your cumulative practice time. This feature is a great way to visualize your commitment and celebrate your achievements. Pocket Yoga also integrates with Apple Health, providing a holistic view of your overall wellness. This app is not just a collection of poses, it's a comprehensive yoga guide designed to support your practice and help you reap the many benefits of yoga, from increased flexibility and strength to reduced stress and improved mental clarity. Whether you're at home, in a hotel room, or even outdoors, Pocket Yoga provides the tools and guidance you need to maintain a consistent and fulfilling yoga practice, anywhere, anytime. So, check out pocket-yoga.com and start your yoga journey today.